When that does ignite, it will completely destroy the flue, rendering the fireplace unusable. I'm Craig from LOR Chimney. We're about to clean a fireplace here. One of the reasons you need to clean a fireplace, as you can tell right here, the soot. This is creosote that is built up inside of the flue. That is flammable by nature. Over time it will build up and it will coat the entire inside of your flue. Eventually there is a possibility that that could ignite. When that does ignite, it will completely destroy the flue, rendering the fireplace unusable. And the only course of action after that is to replace your fireplace. We clean the fireplace, clean the flue by running a brush up through the flue. This one is used for factory-built fireplaces or manufactured fireplaces that go through the metal flue. We also have a brush that we use for the masonry fireplaces. It's a separate brush. It spins on rods, and we actually clean the entire flue top to bottom. You should get this